Namaste everybody, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I am finally making a video on one question which I have been asked so many times throughout this whole year. So that is how I lost 20 kgs of my weight. So I'm not going to waste much of time, let's get into it. But let me tell you one thing, that this video could get a bit longer since I want to address every little detail which might pertain to this topic. So I hope you keep watching and you might get the gist of what exactly I'm trying to convey here. So number one is understanding the root cause. So since childhood I've always been a chubby child, okay? I was always a bit healthy and it never mattered to me. I mean, I was very active with dancing and swimming, so it was okay. It never hampered my daily activities. When I went to Mumbai during my 11th and 12th, I did lose a bit of weight in 11th, but when I was in my 12th, my weight suddenly shot up within 1 or 2 months, and it was a lot. It was so significant, the difference was very visible. But during that point of time, I had obviously better priorities. I did join a gym, I did manage to lose a few kgs, but it was not something which was consistent. Then I went on to the college, which was again a bit unexpected turn for me, because since I didn't plan to join that college, but I just got a call, offer letter, and I just went with it. After I went to the college, again I did not really focus on weight loss as such, but I did avail the gym facilities or the swimming pool, and I had joined a dance group. So when we had our cultural fest, we had so much of rigorous practice that at the end of it, there were people who came to me and like, oh, you have lost some weight. And again, I did not realize until the time I went to a solo trip to like Egypt, and I came back and I started realizing that okay, I need to start focusing on fitness, not maybe the way I look, but maybe a bit on fitness. Now let me tell you one thing, I was always bad at jogging or running, even though I was really good at brisk walking. यानी कि ये मतलब है कि अगर मैं 100-200 मीटर भी भागने की कोशिश करूँ, आई वुड स्टार्ट आई वुड एंड अप बीइंग ब्रेथलेस. स्कूल में आई वॉज वन ऑफ दोज गर्ल्स जो एकदम आखिरी में आते थे भागने में. एटलीस्ट कभी कभी लास्ट तो नहीं, बट आई वॉज नेवर गुड एट इट, बट आई डेफिनेटली वांटेड टू गिव इट अ शॉट. सो आई स्टार्टेड with jogging, half around, then walking half around, and within 1 week I was able to complete 2 rounds efficiently. And then I realized okay, my body is reacting quite well, so let me continue with this. And that was a time when even my roommates were very motivating ki yes, you are doing really good, we can see those effects of you waking up every morning and trying to jog and build up this thing, a habit for you. And that turned out to be very motivating for me. So that is finding what works for you. I have done a lot of things, not in the quest of किस चीज़ से weight जल्दी कम होगा, but with curiosity, with the intention of understanding what things would do to my body and what would suit me the best, and to understand how I can take up my whole busy day with that, maintaining with my regime for the rest of it. So ये हुआ. And after that I was never consistent. I mean, consistency has been an issue since I had that kind of schedule, even during college. So I really prioritize my sleep a lot, even above my exams. So if I would sleep late, there is no chance I would wake up in the morning. So it took some time. So it started with jogging. Food was never an issue because I'm a big time foodie, so I would eat as much as I want or whatever I want. But then I started with consistency in swimming. So I would wake up every morning, maybe winters or exams, I would swim, and that is how things started to get better with me. And this is how my second year kind of got over. But again I went to US and I was there for 45 days, and again I got back and I wasn't like, even I tried to maintain my fitness there, but it's not very possible since you're traveling most of the times. But third year जो मेरा college का था, that is in 2019, was the biggest turning point with my fitness, and that is something which molded me and made me realize that what's the best for me. Again, this was a very busy year, but I managed to hit the gym. We didn't have a trainer in girls' gym, but my friends helped me ki okay, you can do these days. And since I had been to gym before, and during my 12 days I knew the techniques, so I started hitting the gym. I was consistent with my food and everything, and I was prioritizing my health. I did jog. There was a time when I was a bit consistent with my jogging. I was dancing, I was doing a lot more things, and that is when everything became a lot evident. There was a point in November or October of 2019, people were like, oh my god, you have lost so much of weight and all of that. And that is when I realized, okay, this thing is working really well for me. So it's the best. And all of this happened, and the pandemic started in 2020. Now while I was home, let me tell you one thing, that I'm not a fan of cardio workouts, and there is one thing that I cannot do the same thing for every single day. So while we were all confined in our homes, and I couldn't go out for a jog, and swimming तो मेरे I think 22 years of life में पहली बार हुआ कि मैंने 2 years से swimming नहीं किया है, or else I am a big time swimmer. There was a time I was also certified as an international lifeguard, so that is just a piece of information about me, but I would love doing that. So this was the time when it was a challenge, to keep myself healthy and make sure that I get stronger each day. That is when I have always loved yoga. Okay, so even in college I used to do yoga, but ghar aake, this was the time when my yoga practice reached a good height, and that is when I was getting really stronger and better at it. But I never did it with the motivation or with the mindset of just losing weight. I just wanted to do it because I loved it. So this is also important, that you do something that you love, something which makes you happy and not with force. क्योंकि जब आप ऐसी चीज़ करते हो जो तुम्हें already पसंद नहीं है, and the person loses motivation very fast. I have had so many people who come to me saying that अरे कुछ effect नहीं दिख रहा, I feel demotivated, what should I do? So this is very important. You find something जिससे तुम्हें अच्छा भी लगे करने के बाद, and you are not just looking out for your end result, you are enjoying the process as well. So yoga helped me embrace that whole process. Okay, and throughout the day there were times, obviously pandemic I was lazy, we even had our online classes, I was inconsistent, but sometimes I made a point ki chalo let me do it, and this is how most of my 2020 went by. I was consistent with yoga, and I also started doing HIIT in between, like not very much, but that was it. Then there was a very beautiful phase when I found one of my friend there, a childhood friend, and things were relaxed in my township, and I could go for morning cycling or a morning jog. So this was it, yoga, jogging. This was how my 2020 went by. So August 2020 was a point when I was maybe at my leanest, that's what I believe. But this was pretty much my schedule, and once we moved out of colony, right now I am in the Hanu Road, and like I stay in Prophet Town as of now, and we luckily have beach very close by, so I had this opportunity. I could jog a lot of times, but after I got COVID, things again went inconsistent. So this year 2021 was a lot inconsistent for me in several ways. Even though I have tried to be consistent, something or the other comes up. Just I would say that last week I was super active with my workouts, but then I got my vaccination, second dose, so I'm not really pushing myself too hard. So this is how things happen. But what's important is that throughout the process there were times when I felt demotivated, कि लगा कि यार होगा क्या weight कम. But the moment I left thinking about it and I was actually focusing on myself, that is when the magic truly happened. Because my achievement was that I found something which I love doing, that is dance, yoga, Zumba with my mom. There was other thing I achieved, that is I could never jog before, but now I can jog really well, even though I'm still mastering or learning that skill to be better at it. I'm still doing better, and I'm a lot more stronger than I could ever have thought of. Okay, and this is not scripted. I have just put my camera on and I'm just talking because I'm just sharing whatever comes to my mind right now. So, there are a lot of instances when people feel that everything has to be strict. People would ask me, do you eat carbs, do you eat fats? Like, dude, I eat everything. If you come to my house, most of the times you'll either find ice cream or chocolate. I'm not promoting bad habits. It's just that I eat what I want to eat. I love rice. I love ghee dripping from my chapatis. And in my household, we eat with no regret. we eat as much and how much we want, as much and how much our body needs, and we are very happy with it. We live a healthy lifestyle. As I said, I would do Zumba with my mom, and with my parents I would go up to the terrace. There was a time when again things went bad with COVID, so I would just take my skipping ropes, and then I bought a hula hoop. I turned on the YouTube and I tried learning that. So it's exploring. You need to explore what works for you. मेरे कुछ friends हैं जिन पे कोई चीज़ सूट करती है, मुझ पे नहीं करती. It's not necessary. I have a few friends जो लोग बाहर रहते हैं, जैसे हॉस्टल में या कोई न्यू प्लेस पे जाते हैं, तो उनका वज़न कम होता है एंड घर का खाने से बढ़ता है. In my case, it's opposite. Whenever I'm home, I'm able to maintain my health, but whenever I'm out, there is no certainty of anything. जैसे कि I was in Mumbai for my project work in college. During that time, it was not possible for me to work out. I was in Goa. I tried working out every morning, but in the end, it was so much of work for me throughout the day. I couldn't manage it, but it's okay because I had to prioritize things as per time and as per my convenience. So don't try to fit yourself into that image of losing weight in a particular period of time. 2 week में कम करना है, abs चाहिए. No, I think it's about measuring on how you feel. And I think in my case, I have achieved a lot as of now. I appreciate myself each day, and I'll keep doing that. Even though I might not be at my leanest, but I'm at my happiest. I can do things I never thought of. I feel a lot more stronger. And if I come across any workout, it doesn't terrify me anymore. I never used to like lunges before, but now I'm getting so much better at lunges. With yoga especially, my journey has been incredible. I've been exploring different types of workouts. I've not limited myself yet, but that is one thing, I do what I feel like. It's not a compulsion for me कि भाई कल सुबह उठ के यही करना है. नहीं, कल सुबह उठने के बाद I'll see what my body desires. Like, does it want to get into some toning with Pilates, or do I feel energetic enough to jump into a cardio, or do I want something which can help me balance my body and my state of mind all together? So I would choose yoga. Or does my mom need my company for Zumba, or do we want to groove together? Do I want to dance? There is so much more. And these days we should appreciate YouTube and everything, but don't let it overpower you. Don't let anybody's body or mindset overpower you. ये वीडियो इसलिए बनाया कि 20 kgs को 3 साल लग गए. These days you might be seeing some people lose it in 6 months, 9 months. I appreciate, definitely, all thanks to their trainers or diets, but in my case I don't want to do that. I don't want to diet. I want to enjoy my food. I want to enjoy every bite of my food. And मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I don't want ऐसा no fat or no nothing. ऐसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I want to be stronger. I want to feel better. So I have no obsession with weight scales anymore. I don't know. The last time I weighed, I might be around 63 or 62 kgs or whatsoever. But my journey of fitness would keep going on as and how I can, as and how my body and the circumstances allow me to do. There is a lot more I'll talk about. I'm sure ये वीडियो बंद होने के बाद मुझे याद आएगा कि मैंने क्या क्या नहीं बताया अभी तक. But I think that is it for now. 3 years were all about this. Let me line it up for you once again. Understand your root cause. Also, when I said about root cause, I said I had gained weight. So I did went to the doctor. I go to the doctor. It was hormonal imbalance because of stress, and I used to stay in hostel. I had a really bad sleeping schedule, managing my studies and everything. And that is when even the doctor once said, Kishvan, you start jogging and all of that. So this lifestyle change helped me in several ways. It was not just me losing weight. It impacted me in several ways, in good ways. So that is it, understand your root cause, consult your physician or whatsoever. The root causes depends on that. क्योंकि उसी पे depend करता है कि what should be your path to fitness. Secondly, see what works the best for you. जो मेरे लिए है वो आपके लिए शायद ना भी work करे. So please understand that what makes you happy, and that is it. How your process is going on. Sometimes it takes time, but embrace the journey. That is it. Sometimes, like right now, my cousin is at my home. As I said, I got vaccinated. I haven't been working out since I cannot hold planks, or even in yoga I cannot do certain things. So we dance every night, and we end up dancing for 1 hour. So that is it. That makes us happy. We sweat, and it's amazing. So I think that is it. That's how I lost 20 kgs. Just exploring, and I'll keep exploring the unexplored in coming days. And definitely, I would owe this journey to a lot of my friends, and definitely firstly my family, because they were never like lose weight, lose weight. There are certain set of people who are constantly like lose. No, in my family we are all working towards it all together into a better lifestyle. So that is something really great, and I've taken up a lot of things, and they've always been supportive about it, and that has led to this who I am right now. So if there's anything you want me to talk about, you can drop into the comment section below, or you can reach out to my Instagram DM, and we can talk about it. And stay tuned to this channel, because I'm going to post a lot about workout reviews, since I've had a lot of experience with different workouts. I'm going to share that. If that works for you, amazing. So I hope you liked this journey, and I hope that you take something back. I hope you share it with somebody who might as well want to hear it.